I have the Brinks Key Lockbox. This is the hanging style lockbox. And what I'm gonna be doing in this video is show you how to remove and reattach this shackle. In our rentals, we have these lock boxes next to the door, and we have them attached through some eye bolts. I think that's what these are called. And this is how we keep them attached versus these handles. They wouldn't work with these handles because they would slide right off. So this was our next option. You can hang them on doorknobs though, if it's a traditional type of doorknob. But there's many reasons why you would want to remove this. So let's get to it. In order to open the lockbox, you need to put in your code. It's 0000 by default, and this is brand new, so I'm gonna open it. This is not my actual code. I'll be changing that after this video. But grab on either side and pull towards you, and that's gonna open up the box. And then what you will see is the shackle actually has a release icon right here, and there's a release lever. So you're gonna pull that release lever to the right and then bring the box down. There is a plastic stopper to prevent the shackle from fully coming off. Some lockbox models, they allow the shackle to fully disconnect. Not this kind though. So you're gonna pivot this around, and then that will allow you to remove it from your setup. Then once it's off, you can reset that lever by pushing it in and suppressing the shackle. And as you could see, it clicked back over into the lock position. So it's very simple. Slide the bar over, lift it up, mount it on the item that you need to, and then push it back in. Hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.